Did you know if you have a store-bought sweet potato, you can grow it in a little cup, just place it in, and then it will have all these little baby roots coming out. You can grow it on the ground, or you can grow it in containers. It has roots all the way at the bottom. Once it has more roots, it'll be ready to place in the ground or in containers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. This is sweet potato. I planted it in a container. This is how fast it grows. You can also plant sweet potatoes in containers or on the ground.